Hello everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel Developing Mathematical Minds. This is the lecture for class 12th. We were doing matrix in the last few classes. We were doing matrix, addition of matrix, subtraction of matrix, then multiplication of matrix, then we did symmetric matrix, skew symmetric matrix, transpose of a matrix. Now today we will do few questions based on multiplication of matrix as well as the symmetric matrix and skew symmetric matrix. In the last class, what we did a theorem. In the last class, we did a theorem that every square matrix can be written as the sum of symmetric and skew symmetric matrix. In the last class हमने theorem की थी कि हर एक square matrix जो है, हर एक square matrix मान लो कोई A square matrix है, तो I can write that as in the form of P plus Q, where P is symmetric and Q is skew symmetric. और हमने इसका proof भी किया था. We did the proof of this theorem also in the last class. Now, the application of this theorem is the question. The question will be express some given matrix, whether it is 2 by 2 or 3 by 3, because expression of square matrix. So the question I am taking of 3 by 3, express this matrix as the sum of symmetric and skew symmetric matrix. We have to express the given matrix as the sum of symmetric and skew symmetric matrix. So what we have to do, what steps we have to follow, बिल्कुल क्लियरली देखना है, क्योंकि इसमें कुछ बच्चे दो चार कुछ एक आध स्टेप छोड़ देते हैं तो उसमें मार्क्स कट जाते हैं. तो आई एम स्टार्टिंग. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आई विल अज्यूम दिस मैट्रिक्स. सपोज ए बी सी या जो भी मुझे दे रखा है, क्वेश्चन में कुछ दे रखा है तो वही लेंगे. सपोज आई एम राइटिंग इट एज सी. दिस मैट्रिक्स इज ए. सपोज एक्सप्रेस द मैट्रिक्स, आई एम अज्यूमिंग दिस मैट्रिक्स एज ए. लेट ए इज दिस. जब हमने इस थ्योरम को प्रूव किया था तो उसमें P को हमने कुछ लेट किया था जो बना था. ये मैं बताया तो A क्या बना था. A को ऐसे किया था, A इक्वल टू हाफ ए प्लस ए डैश बाई टू माइनस ए डैश बाई टू. तो इसमें A इक्वल टू बना था P प्लस क्यू, जहां पर P क्या था, हाफ ए प्लस ए डैश, एंड Q क्या था, हाफ ए माइनस ए डैश. दिस इज व्हाट वी हैव टू रिमेंबर. दिस इज व्हाट, दिस इज P and this is Q. According to that we will do the question. So first of all what I will do, I will find its transpose. So its transpose will be 3 minus 1 minus 2 1 minus 4 minus 5 2. This is the transpose of this matrix. Now we need to find P. And what is P? P is half of A plus A dash, which we did in the theorem. Half of A plus A dash. So I will add these two matrices and divide all the elements by 2. So I will write that what is P. P will be 3 plus 3 is 6. 6 by 2 will be 3. 3 minus 2. 3 plus minus 3 minus 2 1. 1 by 2 is 1 by 2. Minus 1 minus 4 is minus 5 by 2. Minus 2 plus 3 1 by 2. Minus 2 plus minus 2, minus 4 by 2 is minus 2. 1 minus 5, 1 minus 5. That means 1 minus 5 is minus 4 by 2 is minus 2. Then minus 4 plus of minus 1, minus 5 by 2. Then minus 5 plus 1, minus 4 by 2 is minus 2. 2 plus 2 is 4, 4 by 2 is 2. So this is P. This is P. ये एक P आया है, मुझे प्रूव करना है एज अ सम ऑफ सिमेट्रिक एंड स्क्यू सिमेट्रिक. तो ये जो मेरे पास P आया है, ये जो P आया है, आई विल फाइंड इट्स ट्रांसपोज. ये जो P आया है, आई एम सेइंग दैट दिस इज P. दिस इज P. मैं प्रूव करूंगा कि ये सिमेट्रिक है. एंड हाउ टू प्रूव मैट्रिक्स, सिमेट्रिक मैट्रिक्स, इट्स ट्रांसपोज विल बी दैट मैट्रिक्स. तो आई एम फाइंडिंग P डैश. P डैश विल बी 3, देन हाफ, देन माइनस 5 by 2, देन हाफ, देन माइनस 2, then minus 2, then minus 5 by 2, then minus 2, and then 2. What I have done, I have written all the rows as the columns, and I am checking that this is nothing but P. P dash is P, so we can say therefore P is a symmetric matrix. So in this way I find the value of P in this question. Whenever you will get A, you will find its transpose, find P. How? This is the formula, half of A plus A dash. Now you will need Q. What is Q? Q is half of A minus A dash. तो अब हर एक एलिमेंट को I will subtract and then divide by 2. So I will get the matrix as A minus A dash. 3 minus 3 0. तो 0 का हाफ करेंगे 0 ही आएगा. 3 minus of minus 2, that means 5, so it will be 5 by 2. Minus 1 minus of minus 4, so minus 1 plus 4, that means 4 minus 1, 3 by 2. Then minus 2 minus 3, minus 5 by 2. Then minus 2 minus of minus 2 will be 0. 1 minus of minus 1, 1 plus 5, 6, 6 by 2 is 3. I am finding a minus a dash, uska half. Then minus 4 plus 1, minus 3 by 2. Then minus 5 minus 1, minus 6 by 2 is minus 3. 2 minus 2 is 0. This is Q. जैसे मैंने P डैश को P प्रूव किया, वैसे ही मैं Q डैश को माइनस Q प्रूव करूंगा फॉर प्रूविंग दैट Q इज Q सिमेट्रिक. तो आई विल फाइंड Q डैश. तो Q डैश इज गिवन बाय 0, 5 by 2, 3 by 2, then minus 5 by 2, 0 and 3, then minus 3 by 2 and minus 3 and 0. I have written all the rows as the columns. When I will take minus sign common, but I will get 0 plus 5 by 2, 3 by 2, then 5 by 2, then 0, then plus 3, then minus 3 by 2, then minus 3 and then 0. Now what I am getting? I am getting Q dash is equal to, this is minus of Q. Minus of Q. Therefore we can say that Q is skew symmetric. That means मैंने ये प्रूव कर दिया कि this is P, this P which we are getting, this P is symmetric matrix, and this Q which we are getting, this Q is skew symmetric. Express the matrix as the sum of symmetric and skew. अब मुझे क्या करना है? Now I will add P plus Q. मैंने एक P को प्रूव कर दिया सिमेट्रिक है, और ये Q क्या है? स्क्यू सिमेट्रिक है. Now I will add P plus Q. What is P? P is this 3 half minus 5 by 2 half minus 2 minus 2 minus 5 by 2 minus 2 and 2 plus Q. What is Q? This is Q. 0, 5 by 2, 3 by 2, minus 5 by 2, 0, 3, minus 3 by 2, minus 3 and 0. When I will add these two P and Q, what I will get? 3 plus 0 is 3. ये रहा. Half plus 5 by 2, 6 by 2 is 3. Then minus 5 by 2 plus 3, minus 5 minus 1. This is minus 1. When I will add these two matrix, I will get nothing but A. 100%. When I will add these two, if I have done the question correctly, then if I will add P and Q, I will get the matrix A. So what I have shown, I have found a matrix P which is symmetric, I have found a matrix Q which is Q symmetric, and addition of these two matrices is giving me A. तो मैंने क्या एक्सप्रेस कर दिया? This. I have expressed the matrix A as the sum of symmetric and skew symmetric matrix. As the sum of symmetric and skew symmetric matrix. A is the sum of symmetric and skew symmetric matrix. So this is one of the important question in matrix. The question may come that the expression of the matrix as the sum of symmetric and skew symmetric matrix. The question may come of 2 by 2 as well. If the question will be 2 by 2, method is same, but the question will be of 2 by 2 form. That's it. So this was the question of symmetric and skew symmetric matrix. Now I am coming to the next question, which is based on the multiplication of matrix. So let us do a question, and the question is, we are doing a question. एक इस टाइप का क्वेश्चन आता है कि if A is equal to 5, 3, 12 and 7, then prove that A square minus 12A minus I is equal to 0. ये क्वेश्चन बन जाता है मैट्रिक्स में कि we will be given a square matrix, whether it is 2 by 2 or 3 by 3, we will be given a square matrix only. Then a polynomial in A, maximum A Q तक जाएगा, ठीक है. तो this is the quadratic in A, we are given a square matrix. So we need to prove this. So first of all, in this A square is there A. This is A, and what is I? I is identity matrix of that order which the question is. Question यहाँ पे 2 by 2 का है, तो identity भी 2 by 2 का ही होगा. तो first of all we need to find A square. And what is A square describe किया था? A square क्या होता है? A multiplied by A. A multiplied by A. So what I will write A. What is A? 5, 3, 12 and 7. I will multiply this by the same matrix, that is 5, 3, 12 and 7. When I will multiply these two, so what I will get? I will get this and this. 5 5 is 25, 25 plus 36. Then this 60 plus 84. Then this 15 plus 15, this and this. 15 plus 21, then 36 plus 49. That will give me the value as 61, 4, 6, 3, 85. This is A square. Now let us find this. What is this? A square minus left hand side, I am taking left hand side. A square minus 12A minus identity. What is A square? A square is this: 61, 36, 144, 85 minus 12A. So I will multiply A by all the elements of A by 12. So I will get 12 into 5 is 60, 12 into 3 is 36, 12 into 12 is 144, and 7 into 12 is 84. And then minus I. I is 1001, identity matrix. When I will find this, I will calculate this: 61 minus 60, 1. 1 minus 1, 0. 36 minus 36 is 0. 144 minus 144, 0, 0 minus 0 is 0. 85 minus 84 is 1, 1 minus 1 is 0. Which is the zero matrix? Which is the capital 0 means zero matrix, which we need to prove. तो क्वेश्चन इस टाइप से बनता है. कभी कभी क्वेश्चन में ए क्यूब भी आता है. ए क्यूब माइनस, मान लो कोई क्वेश्चन बन गया -6a स्क्वायर प्लस 7a माइनस 12i, कुछ ऐसा क्वेश्चन बन गया. तो ए स्क्वायर तो हमने निकाल ही लिया. मान लो ए मुझे मिला ही होगा, आई मुझे बताइए क्या होता है. ए क्यूब कैसे निकालेंगे? ये जो ए स्क्वायर आया होगा, दिस ए स्क्वायर, इस ए स्क्वायर को आई विल मल्टीप्लाई, दिस ए स्क्वायर विल बी मल्टीप्लाइड बाय ए to give me a cube. Then I will put a cube here, a square here, a here, I here. Then I will simplify. I will get the answer. So this is the type of a question which may come in the exam. Will be given a square matrix and we will be proving some polynomial in the form of matrix. जिसमें a क्या होगा? Matrix होगा. So this is one of the question which may be asked in the exam. Now let us do one more question. And the question which we are doing is very good question. The question is find matrix X. Find matrix capital X. Find matrix capital X so that X multiplied by a matrix 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is equal to -7, -8, -9, 2, 4, 6. This we need to find a matrix X so that this, यहाँ पर ये जो X है, this X is not a variable, this is a matrix. This X is not a variable, this is a matrix which we need to find. So first of all, if this is a matrix which we need to find, so first of all I need to be aware of the order of this matrix. Without order I am not able to find that matrix. Without order. तो अब वो निकाले कैसे? भाई ये मैट्रिक्स इस मैट्रिक्स से मल्टीप्लाई हो रहा है. दिस इज नॉट अ वेरिएबल कि वेरिएबल x into 1 x into 2 कर दो. दिस इज अ मैट्रिक्स. मैट्रिक्स किसी मैट्रिक्स से मल्टीप्लाई होने के बाद मुझे आंसर मैट्रिक्स दे रही है. तो इसका ऑर्डर कितना है? इसका ऑर्डर 2/3 और इसका ऑर्डर भी 2/3. अगर मैं x के ऑर्डर को, सपोज करो मैं x के ऑर्डर को n बाय m मान लेता हूं सपोज करो, तो ये जो n बाय m है ये एक मैट्रिक्स 2/3 से मल्टीप्लाई हो रहा है और मुझे एक मैट्रिक्स मिल रहा है ऑफ ऑर्डर 2/3। तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल इन दोनों को मल्टीप्लाई करने पर आंसर मिल रहा है। तो पहली बात, ये दोनों मल्टीप्लाई हो रहे हैं तो ही तो आंसर मिल रहा है। व्हेन दीज, इसको x ही बोलेंगे, x नाम दिया हुआ है, तो व्हेन दीज टू मैट्रिक्स आर बीइंग मल्टीप्लाइड we are getting a matrix, that means these two matrices are multiplied, that means these two matrices are satisfying the condition of being multiplication, multiply होने की condition को satisfy कर रहे हैं। और multiply कब होता है? जब पहले मैट्रिक्स की नंबर ऑफ कॉलम और दूसरे मैट्रिक्स की नंबर ऑफ रो ये दोनों क्या होनी चाहिए? सेम। इसका मतलब ये जो m है, m इक्वल टू हो गया 2, m इक्वल टू क्या हो गया 2। जब ये दोनों मल्टीप्लाई हो जाते हैं तो रिजल्टेंट मैट्रिक्स बनता है मल्टीप्लाई होने के बाद। उसका आंसर क्या आता है? n/3, n बाय लास्ट वाला, यहां पर ये n है ये 3 है, तो n/3 उसका आंसर आता है। भाई यहां से ये m ये रिमूव हो जाएगा जब मल्टीप्लाई हो गया, और जहां पर m मुझे 2 मिल चुका है, तो यहां से आंसर क्या आता है? अगर भाई n/m को मैं m/p से मल्टीप्लाई करता हूं तो मुझे रिजल्ट मिलता है n/p, तो n/3 रिजल्ट मिल गया। और रिजल्ट यहां पर है क्या? रिजल्ट है 2/3। जब 2/3 को आई एम कंपेयरिंग विद n/3, दैट मींस n/3 2/3, तो n कितना हो गया? दिस इंप्लाइज n इक्वल टू कितना हो गया 2। सो n तो 2 यहां से आ गया, आंसर आया n/3 और आंसर है 2/3। इसका मतलब n इक्वल टू 2, इसका मतलब n इक्वल टू 2 है, m इक्वल टू 2 है। सो इसका मतलब ये मैट्रिक्स x है। इसका मतलब ये जो मैट्रिक्स x है, दिस मैट्रिक्स इज ऑफ ऑर्डर 2/2। ये सारा काम मैंने किया है, समझाया है आप लोगों को सिर्फ x का ऑर्डर समझाने के लिए। व्हाट इज द ऑर्डर ऑफ x? दिस वी नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड। नाउ लेट्स डू द क्वेश्चन। आई एम रबिंग ऑल दिस। I have already made you understood how to find the order of this matrix. So we have find the order of the matrix. The order of the matrix we are getting x as 2/2. So I will assume let x, when x is of order 2/2, वो सारा जो लिखा हुआ है वो कर देंगे, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है। Let x is equal to a b c d, 2/2 फॉर्म का एक मैट्रिक्स ले लिया, तो ये बन जाएगा a b c d multiplied by this 1 2 3 4 5 6 is equal to the same thing, this here, ये यहां आ जाएगा, कॉपी हो जाएगा। मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो आई विल गेट a plus 4b, then c plus 4d, then 2a plus 5b, then 2c plus 5d, then 3a plus 6b, then 3c plus 6d. is equal to we are getting this -7 -8 -9 2 4 and 6. I will equate these two matrices, so I will get a plus 4b is equal to -7 and 2a plus 5b is equal to -8. Then I will get c plus 4d is equal to 2 and 2c plus 5d is equal to 4. -7 -8 2 and 4. I will, using these two, I will find a and b using any of the method of solution of these two linear equations, and I will find c and d. So a equals to something, b equals to something, c equals to something, d equals to. Put all these four values in this x, a, b, c, d. Put the values here, you will get the answer. This is the method. This is a question in which we have to find the matrix. We have to find the matrix by the given condition. By the given condition. Let us do one more question. एक क्वेश्चन और करते हैं. The question which we need to do is, find the value x. You need to find the value of x. Here x is a variable, and the question is 1x1, a matrix, multiplied by 1 3 2 2 5 1 15 3 2 multiplied by 1 2x is equal to 0 matrix. Is equal to 0 matrix. This we need to find. तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी हैव टू मल्टीप्लाई. तो लेट अस मल्टीप्लाई दिस बाय दिस, या फिर दिस बाय दिस, किसी को भी एक को मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे. तो आई एम मल्टीप्लाइंग दिस बाय दिस. This is of order 1 by 3. This is of order 3 by 3. This is of order 3 by 1. तो पहले करेंगे इसको मल्टीप्लाई. I will get 1 into 1 is 1, x into 1 is plus का 2x, 1 into 15 is plus का 15. अब इसके नीचे कुछ नहीं है तो सीधे नेक्स्ट पे जाएंगे. This 3 plus 5x plus 3. फिर अगले पे जाएंगे इससे इस पे तो 2 plus x plus 2. This ये 1 by 3 3 by 3 तो आंसर आ गया 1 by 3. और I will write here this 1 2x is equal to 0 matrix. Is equal to 0 matrix. This is 2x plus 16. I am writing directly. This is what? This is 2x plus 16. This is what? This is 5x plus 6. And this is what? This is x plus 4. You have to write it in separate matrix. I am doing it directly. Now let us multiply these two. This is 1 by 3 and this is 3 by 1. So answer will be of the form 1 by 1. So let us multiply 2x plus 16 into 1. So 2x plus 16. 5x plus 6 into 2. So plus का 2 into 5x plus 6. और plus x plus 4 into x. X plus 4 multiplied by x is equal to 0 matrix. Is equal to 0. 0 means here is 0 matrix. और आंसर 1 by 1 फॉर्म का ही है तो you can write 0 1 by 1. No problem. Base 0 matrix of the order which we are getting. We will get this matrix as the form of 1 by 1. 1 by 3 by 3 by 1, 1 by 3. 1 by 3 by 3 by 1, 1 by 1. So this implies this element is equal to this element. So just solve 2x plus 16 plus 10x plus 12 plus x square plus 4x is equal to 0. This implies x square. Now what is x? 2x and 10. 2 और 10 12, 12. 12 plus 4 16x. Then constant 16 plus 12 28. That's it. 28. We are getting x square 10 to 12. 12 plus 4 16. Then 16 16 plus 4 12. 2x plus 16 10x plus 12 x square plus 4x equals to 0. That's it. Now we need to find the value of x. So we can do the factor. Factor will be x square plus 14x plus 2x plus 28 equal to 0. X common x plus 14 plus 2 common x plus 14 equal to 0. So x plus 2 multiplied by x plus 14 equal to 0. So I am getting the value of x as minus 2 or minus 4. We have to find the value of x for this condition. So these are the two answers which are possible to this. So this was the question which we need to solve. So today what we did a few questions based on matrix multiplication. Then expression of the matrix in the form of symmetric and skew symmetric matrix. So we did few 3 4 5 questions based on the topics which we did earlier. Now the rest will be done in the next class, next video. Okay, thank you.